So here we are again. Welcome you all. Today we are going to developing um my admin, my dashboard, because there are some improvements that I want to make. As you may remember, I was developing this feature, this one here, and it adds a banner every time I go live, and I share the link within my website. The thing with that is that I don't quite like how it behaves. This is when I'm live, like I'm live now, but I am like simulating that I'm live right now, and this is okay. But when I end the live, it showed this other banner, and that's not what I want. I would like to have another section. uh, so yeah, I want to hide this section and maybe have like a permanent section somewhere else with the latest uh, streams, but not like this. And also, well, we are going live now, so I'm gonna share with you the link, and it will allow me to share the behavior of it. This is the live stream URL, and I can show the platform, and I can show the title. This live is for optimizing. I wouldn't call it optimizing. I would call it improving my website dashboard. Um, dashboard. So the thing with this is that uh, to show the live as something that is happening right now, I have to click here and then save the stream. And that's not quite what I want. If I go and refresh my website, you will see that it's working, but that is not how I want it to work. Because every time that I'm sharing a new link here, it is a new live. So uh, otherwise, if I don't click this button, it shows the link as something that it's not happening right now, but happened uh, s- some. I mean, it happened in the past, and that's not what I want. Um, so the thing here is that I want to, let me check here just because I, yeah. The thing here is that uh, that I want first change the way it behaves, but also add a menu here. Let me see if you are watching what I want you to watch. I guess you are. Let me check. Yeah, I want to add a menu here. Maybe like you can have the visual reference, like the menu that we have in WordPress, so I can add the different things that I can manage in my website. So that's the first thing that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna change this behavior and add a side menu to my dashboard, and then I'm gonna redo all this, delete this button, and yeah, improve it in general. And also we need to change it like the front end, because yes, this is good, but if I am not live, it should hide, and I should have like another um, section here. So with any further ado, I'm gonna do this like right now. I'm gonna work with AI as always to find a solution for this. So I'm gonna prompt it. I'm gonna, I don't know, but let me check that you are uh, well. First of all, thank you for, yeah, this is the one that I want to share, and I need to be sure that the the microphone is working, and it is working. Let me place it in a place. Let me place it, yeah, somewhere it's not bothering you, because if I am typing, maybe it's not the best place to do it. Uh, yeah, I guess if I place it here, it's okay. Well, the thing is that we are doing this, and as I already told you, I work with AI, so I can um, I can work faster. So I'm gonna prompt the instruction to the model, and let's see what happened. So for next step, I would like to improve my dashboard. First, first, I want to add a side menu like WordPress, so I can add multiple um, feature to be managed, and add the stream and live as the first item in the in. So those are the instructions for this first part, and let's see what happened. Yeah, it's working, and we can keep talking. Yeah, just as a reminder, this is my personal website, and I'm trying to improve it using AI. The whole thing is built uh, with AI, and we are building a dashboard because I realized that there are some features that I want to add to that website that need to be managed using databases and endpoints. So it's easier if I have like a dashboard to control all those features. And uh, first, we built the first version, that is the version that you are watching right now. Well, if you go to my website, you can watch it. Let me see if I can share it with you while Rolex is working. I guess you can, but this is the first version, and it only shows the string management, and it's okay, but I want to have like multiple options here, and when I click it, it loads the part that I want to manage. That's important. And after that, like the second is to reshape the whole thing, because um, I want to delete this button because it is not showing, like, it's that's not the behavior that I want for this section. All the new links are streaming live now. Those are not all links, so it shouldn't be this here, and everything else is okay. The end live stream, it's okay, and everything, like, it's okay. I would also try to improve how it looks, because it looks messy. Like, this part is okay. I don't quite like this part also. And also the current status section, like this one, it should be, designed in another way. Remember that I am not uh, giving codex any instructions on how it should look, and that's why this is like very raw, but still it's working. But yes, the idea in general is that make this look better and more accurate to what I want to achieve. Right now, there are some improvement here, and another thing that I would like to improve is this one. Uh, this is okay. I mean, as I told you, I am not giving uh, codex any instructions on how it should look. But what I don't like about this is when I am not online, when I am not, when I end the stream, it shows another banner, and I don't want another banner to be shown here. I want a new section with the latest, uh, with the latest streams. I don't know where to place it. Place it maybe like here at the end of it. Uh, well, it, to me, it doesn't really matter right now. What I want to change first is build a new uh, or improve this, and then make this better and look like better in how it looks and the options that it has. And later, like the latest stuff that I want to do is to add a new section with the latest videos or the latest streams. Well, right now we're working with the latest streams. So yes, that's what we are doing now. Let me check if codec is working. Yeah, it is already working. So I'm gonna push the changes to my current domain, so we can keep going and keep working. This is improving my dashboard. So I'm committing the two files. I'm pushing it. Let me go here. Uh, GitHub. I don't know which screen I am sharing with you, but let me share with you uh, the other one, like this one. Um, well, it doesn't matter, like really. But yes, let's do it. I'm just pushing the changes to live so we can see the new dashboard. Hopefully you are hearing what I'm saying. I'm gonna check quickly. Uh, yeah, you are hearing what I'm saying. Perfect. Um, yeah, we are deploying the website, the new changes, and you are not watching the screen. Let me check what you're watching. You're not watching anything. So let me show you this. Um, and it's already deployed. And let me see what. So it is all broken. Okay. Um, let me check if it's broken because it is. Let me see if it is broken because it broke, or because it is some cache. Okay. Yeah, it was the cache. And let me see how can I do to show you the new thing. I'm gonna first of all I'm gonna tell. No worries. It was the cash. Okay, I don't know which one you are watching. Let me see. Let me see if I can share with you the new version of it. Uh, it seems like I cannot show you this one. I don't quite understand why. It should. Let me see if I can share it with you. Chroma. Well, somehow I cannot show it to you. Um, Let me try to show you. I don't quite understand, to be honest, why it's not working when it should be working. Like every time that I try to show you something here, it's like not working. I understand that you are watching right now, but it's like why it's not working. Like I don't understand it. Uh, when it should. Let me show you meanwhile this. Um, so now you can watch, you can see this. Let me see if you can watch the correct look, how it looks. Well, I think I can uh, delete. Okay, last. Delete. Let me see if that works. Yeah, it works. Let me see if you're watching it. Yes. Okay. So we can keep going. This is the new look. It looks like way better. This is how it's working. It's like really good. I mean, it looks like uh, I mean, if we compare it with how it used to look, it looks way better. And now I'm gonna prompt it to AI because I want to delete this. This is stream. This is live now. So I'm not gonna share it with you because I'm having some problems here. Well, let me try it. Uh, Let me hide this and show this. I'm sharing with Codex the image. And next, I want to delete the live now button, the one that needs to be clicked to say if I am live now because it doesn't make any sense if I am sharing a link. It is because I am live at that moment. Does it make sense to you? Sometimes, as you know, my English is not my first language, and sometimes I need to make like really, really, really sure that they are understanding. I mean, the colleague is understanding um, what I'm doing. So I used to ask like at the end, like, is this clear? Like you are understanding what I'm saying? Because sometimes when you are trying to explain something in a language that is not your mother language, it's like it's difficult. So yeah, it seems like it's working. I guess you are watching like this work. Um, and yes, okay, this is okay. It's working and it's already. I mean, now it's working like it's completed. Let me commit these changes. Like I'm gonna add the, as a description for this. I'm gonna add it like um, uh, improving live stream in screen. No options. And I'm gonna commit it to main, and I'm gonna share with you the other screen, like Chrome, because we are pushing like changes to my website. I'm gonna go back to actions, deploy the website, and deploy it to my website. Uh, yeah, this is let's see how it goes. So it's already deployed, and let's see I mean how it looks. And I'm not seeing any change to be honest. It's already deployed. Let me see if again this is. Let me check first. Let me check that you are watching something. Then let me delete the cookies, the cache, and all stuff. And and let's see if now it's working. Well, I don't see it. Let me check in another window. This is not working as expected. Let me go back to. Somehow it's not showing what I want. It is supposed to be showing the new feature. I'm not seeing it. I don't know if that is I because I already deployed like yeah. Sometimes you just make mistakes, to be honest, and I made one mistake right now, and it's okay. It's like don't be that hard on you. But yes, the thing was that I was deploying something that I already deployed, and that's why I wasn't seeing the changes. And hopefully now I am doing the job. Uh, so it's already deployed, and now we can check again. Hopefully this time it's working. Yeah, now it's working, and we are live, and everything is working as expected. That's what I wanted to do. Uh, as you can see, we have the the banner here, and next we are gonna work on um, this behavior that I don't like. Let me see if now it's working. Yeah, it's working, because let me share it with ChatGPT. Like, this is how it looks, and it's okay, but I don't want it to show the banner if I am not live. So this is the current behavior on the front end, but I want to show to hide the banner if I am not live, and instead we can have a new section here, maybe at the, the end, or maybe um, as a side bar showing the latest. So banner only if I am live, and all the time this this section with the latest live streams. I I would do it as a banner, as a sidebar, so we can promote the visualization of the live stream. What do you think? So while it's working, I hope it's working. I'm gonna answer some questions. I'm gonna answer some messages. Sorry, so that's why I'm not talking. So let me see what's going on here. Uh, so let's read the answer. Uh, the behavior is gonna change. Top banner only show while current live heroes sidebar always present, showing the three latest and the stream. When live, the banner promotes the current broadcast. No history yet. The sidebar showing a clear empty state. All right, it works for me. Yeah, it could be improved furthermore, but right now it's working really great. And my website is like being shaped in a better way. And I'm really uh, I'm okay. I wouldn't say that I'm okay. I'm satisfied with how much I be at work on my personal website, because if you are a developer, I don't know if you I'm sharing with you this. Well, let's share with you. But when you are a developer, when you work with this, it's hard to keep your own website like live and like with current information, because you don't have time, because you have to work for your clients. And um, and it's always good to have your website and show what you can do. And for me, it is obviously uh, a way to showcase what I do, uh, but also this type of features like having this banner. Now I'm gonna have a sidebar somewhere. I don't know. Let's see what Codex develops. Like all those stuff uh, adds value to it. Now I'm building. Well, I don't know if you know about my other project. I'm building this one. Uh, it doesn't have like anything particular, but I have it. Like I'm building this other stuff. Like, and I have a login. I guess yes, I have uh, also a dashboard here, and it's like mm, this is my advice for you. Like, if you are a developer, you need to showcase your work. Like uh, somehow your clients or your future bosses need to see what you're able to. And as I think right now, it's not a matter of how well written is your code, because you are not coding anymore like you used to, but how you're solving problem and how you are adding unique value to your website. Like before this time, coding was a barrier to do stuff, like because you needed to invest a lot of time. And now that you are not coding, you can be creative and have like new solutions to problems, and go, yeah, go crazy with the things that you want to create. Like right now, I wanted to create it. This is something that maybe you have seen this on another website. I haven't seen it, and for me, it's good. And it can be good for a client. Maybe, for example, you can improve this even more. For example, every time I start a live stream, let's say that I collect information from my subscribers and I have an email, I could connect this with my list, and every time that I start a live stream, I send an email to all my subscribers, and they can get like the notification. Obviously, if you are subscribed to my channel, it could be like that. Like, it could be, I mean, it could send you the alert. But why not send yourself a alert to your to to your subscribers? Like, you have a lot of things that you can do and you can develop now, uh, that now are not limited by time, and by coding. You just need to know how to prompt it, and you need to organize the idea in your head and just make it like a reality. Obviously, it comes with knowledge. It comes, like knowing what you want to develop, because otherwise you would spend like a lot of time trying to do something that is not, it doesn't have the quality that you need. But yeah, now I think what before was a barrier, or at least was preventing us from developing creatively, now is now with AI is something that is working for us, and now we need to show that we know how to solve problems in a creative way. And to showcase that, the best way is to have your own website, and show what you can do. Like, it doesn't matter really if that is exactly what the client wants for him or for herself. It's like they should be buying, and they are gonna buy the way you solve problem, not necessarily the problems that you already solved. I seen like a lot of, well, I wouldn't say a lot, but it's very common to see developers uh, building solutions that, yes, they could be necessary for some company, but they are not quite what they are wanting to develop. It's not fully custom, and what happened is that you spend some time working on that solution, but at the end, that is a product that no one was requesting. So yes, you can build that as a proof that you are able to build something like that, like this one. But instead of selling that, you should be aware of, well, I'm gonna sell the idea that I can build something like this. Oh well, this is a journey, and those are my my suggestion, my advices for you. Codex already made the changes. Now deploy that to I'm gonna deploy it to my website, and we are gonna see how it looks. Um, and I mean, hopefully this is the last change for today. Um, we are not deploying staging right now. We are not working uh, on staging, because yeah, right now we don't need that. I'm deploying the latest changes. So let me see. It's already deployed, and hopefully it's working. So this is here, and I just don't see. Let me, as usual, let me see if the thing. Let me first check that you are watching the thing that I want to be showing. Okay, this is working. I don't see. Yeah, let's try something, because it may be that I need to end the live stream in order to show the other uh, banner. It doesn't. it doesn't seem like it is the case. I just don't see the banner. Let me see if it is because, yeah, because sometimes what happens is that the, let me check it. ChatGPT. Well, I just don't see the banner that was created, to be honest. It should have like a banner here. I don't. Yeah, sorry. I'm sorry. It is here. I wouldn't say that this is the best place to show it. So I'm gonna ask for one more change. I want to be uh, sticky. Let me prompt it to ChatGPT to call it. So, so please make this new section sticky and align to the right. Yes, because let me see if you are watching. Yes, you are watching it. This is the new section. The one, this one. I don't know if you are watching it. It says the latest streams, and it's okay. It looks okay, but it is not like highlighted, and I want it to be highlighted somehow. Like if I have it here, like it could be better, I guess. But if not, we can go back and next time improve that because I need to think about it. Uh, and yeah, I think that's what we are gonna do right now. I'm gonna end this live because we already developed what we wanted to develop, and next time I'm gonna make it better, like this one better, and see how it goes. Let me see if we can. Yeah, yeah. Let me try just this one very quickly and see how it looks. Sticky banner. Well, it doesn't matter. It doesn't really matter. The thing is that this is the latest change that I'm gonna do right now because I need to go. Uh, and if so, uh, I mean, if that works, uh, okay. If not, we can do it like in another live stream because I need to go. Sometimes it works like that. I mean, sometimes I mean I would like to be here and be live like all the time, but it's already 44 minutes. It's okay, and sadly, I need to go back and work, and that's okay. It doesn't really matter. But yes, let's try to see if it is working better now. No, well, maybe it is because some cache is not working. Let me test it in another. No, it's not working like that. Let me recheck that it's working. Let me recheck that this is the one. Yeah, I think to be honest, I'm gonna I'm gonna need to somehow control the couch of this page because I cannot be like cleaning it by hand like all the time. It didn't do what I wanted to do. It's still here. I don't know if maybe it's because I didn't do all the changes. Yes, I've done it. So I just don't see it. Sorry. But we can work on that. Uh, check something here. Yeah, there are some errors that we need to improve. For example, in the Spanish version, it still shows the banner, and somehow the other banner is not working. And here it's working perfectly, but it is not showing this where I want to be shown. But let's keep this task to the next live. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you, or you will see me on the next live.